As we celebrate Apprenticeship Week, I want to reflect on the power of programs that combine learning with real-world experience. Apprenticeships have long been a foundation for skill building and career development. At Smoothstack, we take a similar approach with our high train deploy model. We don't call our program an apprenticeship in the traditional sense. Instead, we consider our program a modern apprenticeship. It follows the same core principles, combining education with hands-on training and mentorship, but the opportunities to elevate your career and earning potential are endless. Through our program, we prepare individuals for careers in tech based on their aptitudes, giving them the skills they need to succeed while partnering with organizations to meet their growing demand for talent. We're proud to create opportunities that empower driven individuals to grow, learn, and launch meaningful careers across sectors. For us, it's not just about creating jobs, it's about helping individuals become the best version of themselves. To everyone in our program and those considering taking this step, thank you for trusting us with your career journey. Together, we're shaping the next generation of tech professionals. Happy Apprenticeship Week.